Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Nongshim, America. This is their premium udon style noodle with shrimp tempura. Hey. So, I don't know if this is like totally new or the same old, but we will find out. But it's definitely, if it's this is the old one, they've updated the packaging and it's really nice. I haven't, God, that original one, I think the last time I had that was maybe like closing in on 10 years ago. I think. No. They've had quite a few udon varieties. They had like, God, what was it called? They had a garlic cheese udon that came in a package that was absolutely wonderful stuff, and then it was gone, poof. I think the deal with that one was it like had a really high sodium and people got weirded out about that. I don't know, come on, it's noodles and seasoning. You're gonna have high sodium. There's really no way around that. Can I get it where it's healthier? No. It's like, I want a cheeseburger that makes me fit. No. I want to eat everything without the guilt. No. Okay, completely remove lid, add sauce, pour room temperature water to inside line. Microwave for 5 minutes, stir well, and serve. And it's saying microwave at 1,000 watts. Okay. I already got a paper plate in the microwave just to make safety a priority here at the Ramen Raider. Here's the stuff that comes in it. There is a lot of stuff. So there's that. And that. And then we got our liquid and our noodle block. Put our noodle block in there and add in our liquid. Looks like it's going to be a nice day today. You know, I'm really looking forward to when we get to have 48-hour days. That'll be nice. Didn't you guys hear the news? 48-hour days. So we got that. We're adding in water to the line. Hope I got enough. It wants the room temp, and I really appreciate it when companies say, oh, you need this much water, and it's got to be room temperature. Because then I know. Alright, so this gets microwaved for 5 minutes. So we're going to put this plate in. And then 5 minutes at 1,000 watts. So let's get crazy on that. And go for power level 1, 2, 3. Yeah? I think we're safe. And now, I think we've got the time. Let's play a video game. That makes sense at this juncture. So check this out. I'll let you see the whole startup sequence here. See, it's all controlled with technology. Alexa, turn on arcade. What do you think of that? Isn't that snazzy? It's snazzy. Yeah, I'm thinking I'll do a post about it at some point soon. I've got tons of pictures from when we got it and did all the stuff to get it here. What do we got? Isn't it? It starts with M? Oh, we can just go down to M. It's Major Havoc. That's what it's called. And it's a neat game. It's a neat game, but it's not extremely easy. But it's from '83. These things are like so poorly. There it is. All right. Loading. Let's see. Can you see that very well? No, let's zoom in a bit. Yeah, this is a really, really weird game. Get in your spaceship, dude! Destroy fish robots. So you gotta blow these things up. Then you gotta land on this thing. And then you get in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, and then you get killed. Come on.
Amy, look. Do you see one Hulk? No, I don't. It's a protect one.
So then you get oxygen.
Okay.
Jump! I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
Okay, Amy, go.
And then there's another button that gives you a shield. But yeah, I really don't do too well at this game. Let's get more oxygen. Follow arrows. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm glad I have enough oxygen because I really suck at this game. Come on. There we go. Okay, what do we got here? But then it's like, come on, I think I need to go over there. Oh, I win. I got on the board. There. TR. There. The Ramen Raider's on the board. But you know what? This isn't all that wonderful. There's some really... And we're done. See? A little quick diversion.
Amy.
All this Sonic crap, I swear. Okay, so we will go retrieve our noodle. That did not explode. Nope. No run over. And I would say that has much to do with the fact that they tell you to use room temp water and they give you the amount of liquid to use, which is nice. You know, this said like 330 mils or blah blah blah. This looks, wow, there is a lot going on here. So let's give this a try. Let's let you see what I see. Let's learn what I have learned. Yeah, that's two in a row of doing microwavable things. There's been a lot of microwavable things that have come across my desk lately. Here's our noodle. Noodle is excellent. Here is some of the broth. Lots of little bits in here. Indeed, shrimp is rampant. It's pretty good, huh? I like that. It's got the kind of a sweetness, katsudon sweetness, flavor with things. Do I want to use this bowl? Well, if it doesn't look right in this bowl, I can always use that other bowl. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Well, we'll give it a try. What's kind of funny is it shows on the package that it's got kamaboko in it on the image, but it doesn't. At least I didn't see kamaboko that was in the sashimi. There's tons of urutamaki. That's for certain, but no kamaboko. So I'm going to help with that. My last 2 slices of kamaboko. You can see them hiding in the top. I'll show you in a second. But they ain't in there. Hey, where'd the kamaboko? It ain't in there. Oh, it's gonna be. Here, you go that way, and you go that way. Beautiful. And we'll add a little bit of onion. I'm gonna skip on the mung bean sprout on this one, and we'll do a smatter of sesame seed. That's a good one. I mean, I don't think I liked it when I had it previously. And if it's if it's not new, then I guess my tastes have changed. But this is pretty good. Usually, the tempura stuff I end up with is tanuki udon. I don't know. That heavy bonito just doesn't work for me. But this is nice. This is nice. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. And I found this at S-Mart. Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart. I'm serious. That's what the place is called. It's in Bellevue, Washington. And this is Yamadai. It's also known as New Touch. And this is their Japanese-style noodle shoyu ramen. And it's for the U.S. market. So, yeah. Cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Enjoy and bye-bye.